Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the gas shutoff solenoid in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nuts to release the gas supply tubes from the shutoff solenoid. Disconnect the wires. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screws to release the old solenoid. Install the new shutoff solenoid by properly aligning it on the rear panel and inserting the tubes. Thread and tighten the mounting screws. Connect the wires to the terminals. Secure the two gas supply tubes by threading and tightening the nuts. Be careful not to damage the tubes by over-tightening the nuts. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.